Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. COVID 19 has disrupted education systems worldwide, and many schools continue to remain closed, affecting more than 220 million students today. At the height of the pandemic in Maldives, more than 91,000 school going children were impacted due to lockdowns and school closures. Certain school closures in most countries have left students struggling on multiple fronts, such as lack of physical and social contact with their peers and teachers, the sudden shift to online learning, related access and learning issues, as well as uncertainty around the pandemic and normal life as we knew it before COVID 19 struck. Scaling up SEL and digital learning during these uncertain times have acquired a renewed urgency to be mainstreamed in education systems to offset the impact of the pandemic on learning. Moreover, transformative learning approaches acquire new significance during this decade of action to deliver global goals and meet the targets of SDG 4, to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote learning. In SDG 4.7 in particular, to develop a sense of shared solidarity for humanity and sustainable societies of the future. Heartiest congratulations to MGIEP for taking on the mantle to mainstream SEL and digital learning through initiatives such as the Global Collective for SEL and Digital Learning and Tech conferences that serve as a forum to further the discourse on transformative learning. The Global Collective for SEL and Digital Learning officially launched on 18 July 2020 with the aim of mainstreaming SEL and digital learning as well as driving the post-2030 agenda. The two working groups of the collective, SEL and Digital Learning, aim to mainstream SEL in 50% of all UNESCO member states while ensuring all learners have access to quality SEL resources and further ensure that 80% of all learners are able to benefit from quality digital learning. While these are ambitious goals, they are not unachievable. The action plans of both working groups are a first in this direction as they seek to identify policy gaps, define guidelines, and build the foundation for comprehensive dialogue on SEL and digital learning through research, webinars, policy papers, and capacity building among teachers in addition to other activities. As a co-chair of the Digital Learning Working Group of the Global Collective, along with the South African government and Classcraft, Maldives is committed in advancing SEL and digital learning. We have also partnered with MGIEP to pilot the Digital Learning Value Chain Study, which is being developed as a framework to assess the digital readiness of education systems by identifying and addressing bottlenecks in the delivery of online learning. The past 3 days at Tech 2020 have seen a plethora of conversations on new evidence in SEL and digital learning as well as dissemination of practices that aid in designing better, effective learning experiences for our students, and Maldives is happy to have been part of this journey. I would like to take this opportunity to invite friends and colleagues from other member states to join this crucial initiative for a shared cause. Thank you.